In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect a wired headset to your controller for clear game audio and voice chat. Whether you're using a PlayStation, Xbox, or another compatible controller, this guide will walk you through the setup process step by step. So let's begin connecting your headset and take a look at the cable connector. Okay, so you need to check your headset connection. Most wired gaming headset uses a standard 3.5mm audio jack, which is compatible with many modern controllers. Now, if your headset uses separate audio and microphone plugs, you may need a headset adapter that combines both connections into a single 3.5mm plug. And then you need to locate the headset port on the controller. Next, you need to find the headset port on your controller. On most modern controllers, the 3.5mm headset jack is located at the bottom near the center. Make sure the controller is powered on before proceeding, and of course, you need to plug in the headset. Insert the headset's 3.5mm connector firmly into the controller's headset jack. You should feel a slight click when the connection is secure. Avoid forcing the plug, as this could damage the port. And of course, you need to verify the audio input. Once connected, your console should automatically detect the headset. You need to play a game, maybe open a video, or navigate through the system menu to confirm that the audio is coming through the headset speakers. Next is, do not forget to test the microphone. If your headset includes a microphone, open your console's audio or voice settings and test the microphone. Speak into the mic and check whether the input levels responds. If available, use the built-in microphone test feature to ensure your voice is being picked up correctly. And finally, you need to adjust the audio settings. If the sound isn't balanced correctly, open your console's audio settings, and of course from there, you can adjust the headset volume, chat volume, game and chat audio balance, microphone sensitivity, and of course you have the ability to customize these settings to match your preference. It's a quick process that can improve both your gaming audio and communication experience. Basically, that's how you connect a wired headset controller. And if you found it helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.